Some people seem to have it so hard in this life, and others seem to be living it up. But don't stare too long at the lofty palaces and homes, or the wild parties and seemingly unrestricted self-worship, where people are led by their every desire, or through your phone at the highly filtered happiness of others. Because behind those screens and beneath those layers may be pain and emptiness of a different type. And whatever our states may seem like in this life, our inevitable fate is the same. But things are not always what they seem. Within those graves are gardens of reward or chambers of punishment. And within our hearts is either the pleasure of certainty in knowing that there is something far greater than this world, or the pain of emptiness in not knowing at all. O believer, this world was not meant to be your paradise, but knowing that paradise awaits makes this journey so much more bearable and rewardable, because while every difficulty is temporary, every moment is an opportunity. And you know that if you get this right, that after all your struggles, after all your tests and trials, after all your loves and losses, your eternal sanctuary awaits, built by your deeds and decorated by your du'as, a jewel-encrusted crown for a verse once recited, chalets of crystal sparkling on the horizon for a soul that gave up sin, tree trunks of green emerald and branches of gold for a simple word of remembrance, the company of blessed people you chose to accompany, who strove like you, and from past generations you chose to follow, that taught you how to strive. Each of your shuddering breaths, every second of discomfort you faced, and every one of your sacrifices, all have been accounted for, repaid with sights and rewards unimaginable, and the company of the Most High. Build your eternal home. Decorate your eternal home. Long for your eternal home. Welcome to your eternal home.